everyone, Miss Patsy here at Castile Innovation Lab. Today we're going to be studying moon phases and we're going to be using Oreo cookies. And first I just took a paper plate and I marked the different moon phases. We have new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter, and waning crescent. Now, waxing means that the illuminated part is increasing. So as we're going from waxing crescent, which is a C shape, to a waxing gibbous, which is when it's more than half of the moon that's illuminated, to a full moon. And then as it decreases, as the illuminated part decreases, it's called waning. So it goes to a waning gibbous, and then it goes to third quarter, and then waning crescent, which means that it will go to a new moon. So the crescent is going from a C shape, and then all of a sudden to a new moon, which is totally dark, because the illuminated part of the moon is facing away from the earth. So first we're going to start by taking apart our Oreos. And so for the new moon, we're going to make it the dark part of the Oreo, and for the full moon, we're going to make it the full of the cream. And then we're going to peel apart the next. So we need two crescents, a waxing crescent and a waning crescent. And also, when it's a waxing crescent, the illuminated part is on the right side. And if it's a waning crescent, the illuminated part is on the left side. Okay, so for the crescent, all you have to do is open the cookie and remove part of the cream, but just leave a crescent shape. And if it's a waxing crescent, it's on the illuminated part is on the right. Take another cookie. And if it's a waning crescent, the illuminated part is on the left. Now for the first and third quarter, we just need a half. And this happened to break right in half. Now, because it's a continuation of the crescent, it's the waxing crescent is growing, so you know it's going to be on the right hand side. Because it's the crescent is just getting bigger. And then on this side, the third quarter moon, it's getting smaller. So it goes from half of the cream to a crescent of the cream. And then the gibbous, you just have to remove a little bit of it. And remember, the waxing gibbous, the illuminated part is on the right. And a waning gibbous, the illuminated part is on the left. So that's your moon phases with Oreo cookies. And any mistakes, feel free to eat. It's a good reason to get your parents to go get you some cookies, and teach your siblings and your family how to do the moon phases with Oreo cookies. Thanks, and see you next time. Hi guys, I forgot to mention a moon calendar. I know the first grade class is going to be putting together a moon calendar, and the teachers would like you to go outside, observe the moon, and then write down what you see, draw a picture. So I downloaded some pictures of the moon phases and I taped it to my calendar for March. And this is what the moon looked like every night in March. And tonight being the 30th, well, we know it's going to be a little bit more of the crescent, so I just put a circle down there to give you guys an idea that instead of having to have pre-made moon phases, all you have to do is color in what you see. You could use crayons or markers or a pen. And you can do this every night for April. So you can just take a circle template and put a circle on each night, and each night just color in what you see, the moon, what phase you see the moon in. And then we'll do this again for the 31st. And since March is already over, you might want to wait until you start on April 1st. And that's one idea to keep track of a moon calendar. Thanks, and see you next time.